Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drift a BMW X5. Start by finding a safe, legal surface and warming tires slowly. Reduce traction with a gentle handbrake tap or clutch kick while maintaining steady throttle. Keep steering smooth and countersteer progressively to hold the slide. Practice small slides first and build confidence before increasing speed. Always prioritize safety and never drift on public roads or near bystanders. Warm the car and tires with some low-speed laps to get predictable grip. Adjust tire pressures evenly for balanced breakaway and confirm the parking brake engages smoothly. Use an instructor or spotter to watch for hazards and give feedback on line and throttle control. Keep all safety gear ready and no emergency procedures for stuck throttle or spin recovery. Respect limits and stop if anything feels unsafe. Thanks for sticking with me, and if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long practice sessions. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold. I use it between runs and it saves time and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Stay safe, stay refreshed, and now let's get back to the video. Set up your line early and roll in at a moderate, controlled speed to avoid snap oversteer. Initiate with a brief clutch kick, quick handbrake pull, or a weight transfer feint depending on surface and confidence. As the rear steps out, add throttle progressively to hold angle and countersteer smoothly to prevent a spin. Practice transitions and recoveries in a safe area until you can control speed, angle, and exit reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.